Same thing. What are the predefined methods we are going to use? That's we are going to see. Okay. In this, the methods are first we'll see about two-string method. Okay, in array. Convert arrays to strings. Okay, so here the first thing is I'm giving a keyword as const. Okay, and then I'm giving some variable. So variable here I will give set of names. Name Chennai, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Pradesh. Okay, so these are the names I've given. So what I will do is I'm going to change this to be a string. So actually this is an array. This is an array format, right? Just you go here console.log of, I'm giving a first, okay, and then console.log of a dot to string of. So let's check. So what is the output? So here go and right click, inspect, and the console, the first output what it is showing as an array. And if you want it to be a string, then you have to use a two-string method. Okay, this is a usage of a two-string method. And next one is a join. Okay, if you want to join something, the split is just splitting the things, but join means it will use to join particular things. Example, see here, I have a string like this, right? So go here, a document dot write. So here I'm giving a dot join off. In this method, I'm going to give it as some things like this. This. If I run this, you can see each and every state after the each say state. So you can see some or symbol, that is pipe symbol. Okay. And if you want to pop and push the elements, so how we can do that? It is very, very simple. Just copy this break statement. Here what I will do is I'm going to add something. Okay, that means push. So in this push, you need to give some element name. So here, I'm adding Karnataka. If you run this, you can see some five characters will be there, right? That is five, totally five numbers will be presented. Okay, to check this again, so what you can do is just go here. Okay, and here document dot write of E8. So if you give this, you can see the output. Better I'll do one thing. So const is equals to a dot push off this name. This is off, the semicolon, and I'm removing this. Okay, so here I want the B value. So here you can see the name of Karnataka has been added. Okay, to get the value, just you can put a dot push and you will get the value. Uh, but if you need all the names which you have specified, you need to print it. Okay, and what is pop method? Copy this, and this to be a pop. I want to pop Andhra Pradesh. Okay, just want to remove the Andhra Pradesh. So what I will do is, so here I need to change the variable as C, and here also we need to change. Now we'll check. Okay, let me check. C is equal to A dot pop Andhra Pradesh, right? So I'll take this one. Delete all these things. Remove this. Okay, I just want to mention one thing. So here, I'm sorry. So I'll tell you one thing. So just if you do this, a pop off. So pop off method, yes, I have given as I popped off, and I want to get the details of this pop. So I'm not getting, so let me check again. So better instead of that, I'll create some two IDs. Okay, to paragraph. Okay, so I don't want this, only one. In this, what I will do is I'm going to create a const keyword and I'm giving a name as fruits. Okay, so in this fruits, I'll be having some names. Example, banana. These are the names I'm given. So next thing is go here document dot get element by ID. Here I want that EA to be printed. Okay, this EA paragraph I need my output. So here I will give fruits dot pop off. Okay, now we can check. So what's a here? Get element ID of A fruits dot pop off. This is correct and this is different one. Okay, I'm sorry. So I need to get the details right. So inner HTML. So you can see the values here. So now what I will do is just copy this after popping the element. So what is in the fruits? So what happened is this is a interview questions actually. What pop will do? So pop will delete the elements from the end. So it will delete the data from the end. Okay. So just run this. You can see banana, orange, and apple is there. Mango got deleted. Okay. And the next to one is you use shift here. So shift what happened? The first banana it get deleted. The first element is get deleted in shift, and the last element is get deleted in the pop method. It's a one of the interview question, and and we know what is push and pop everything and unshift. So we'll check what is unshift. Unshift also is like a push. Uh, let's see. Just go here and give unshift and give some name. Okay, let's run this. You can see pineapple. So it will import the things at the starting. Okay, this is how it will be. And we already know how to find the length and all. Mm, and what we can see is what is splice and slicing array. So what is slicing and splicing array? It is an interview question. Must slice and splice array. In array, definitely they will ask this question. What's the difference between slice and slice? So first we'll see about splice. Okay. Mm, we consider the same thing. Deleting all this. Don't want this. So here in the inner.html, so I've given a fruits. Okay. So let it be like this. So next what I'm doing is, so here a fruits dot splice method. So this is splice method. In this place, what I'll do is I'm going to remove something. Okay. So remove means at the second portion. So it is a array, right? So what is the second portion? So this is 0 and this is 1 and this is 2. So I'm going to remove this apple and I'm going to add some two more text for that. So you need to mention the position which you're going to remove and what are the elements, how many elements you are going to specify and what elements you are going to specify. Okay. So here I'm going to add sorry. Okay, like this I've added. So what happened is this one will get removed and this will add. So let's check. So you need to print this. HTML fruit. So let's check the output. This is what it will be: strawberry, kiwi, and apple and banana. The next one is, so what is called as a slice method, where we know what is that is slice. So now we will see what is slicing. Okay. So slice method is to out of the pieces of an array into a new array. Okay. So let's check how we can do this. And for example, so here I'm going to give only one value that I'm going to add. Okay. So I'll remove this. So here what I will do is I'm going to mention one thing. So that is const p is equals to fruits dot slice of. Here, first thing is I will give the output for this. And the next one is R. So here you can see the first one has been sliced. If I give some other value, let's check. Giving two values, that is 1 and 2 has been deleted. If I give 3, the 3 values get sliced. For that purpose, we are going for this slice method. Okay, clear guys? And then also, if you want to find max and min, we also having some method for that also. As of now, have you understood what is string method? What are the predefined methods we have? Yes or no, ma? Have you understood? So next, we'll go with the basics of Java. One second.